After watching this cocoyam pottage video, you will not be using your cocoyam as a thickener alone, but you're going to now love this. Let me show you how. So I have my cocoyam here, about 4 of them. We call it batik in my own language. What do you call this kind of cocoyam in your own language? Tell me in the comment section. Then I have my blended pepper. I also have my onions. You need a lot of onions for this. Then I have salt, 1 cube of Maggi, paprika powder, and some parsley. I have some tuna chunk in spring water. Use any fish of your choice. I have my palm oil here that I will be using. Use any oil of your choice. I'm going to start by peeling the cocoyam and make sure everything is all peeled, and then cut out the parts that are not, the parts that are bad already, because this cocoyam have stayed for some days, so they are beginning to dry off in some parts, and then some parts are already spoiling, and we don't want that in our cocoyam. So just wash that, just cut that off and wash it off. Now you want to just cut it the way you always cut your yam. Okay, if you don't know how to cut the way I'm using this knife, just get your chopper or chopping board and go ahead and cut. But that is how we used to do it. Once you're done, just discard the bad ones, wash this until it is thoroughly washed, and then you're going to put in some water in it. Let it sit for about 2 minutes. Now in your own pot, you're going to heat it up and then add in your palm oil. Let that bleach for about a minute on a low heat. Then you go in with your onions. You're going to stir until it is translucent. Then you go in with your blended pepper, and then you will stir for it to mix. Go in with your ingredients that I introduced to you earlier, your seasonings, and then you add in the tuna chunks at this time, or adding your fish at this time. Stir for everything to mix very well. Cover that, and then few minutes later add in your yam and then your cocoyam, and then you're going to stir very well for everything to come together. Then you will add in water, cover it, and let it cook until it is 90% cooked. Welcome to my channel, everyone. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. God bless you all for your support. I do appreciate that. Now after it is cooked down like up to 90%, I went in with my spinach. Use any vegetable of your choice. Once I added that, I covered and let it just cook down a bit. Then stir on it and cover it again, just few more minutes. And once you've opened that, stir on it gently for everything to mix together, just to make sure that the water have dried up from the cocoyam and the spinach, and everything is mixed together so well, just the way you see me doing on the screen. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And now your cocoyam should be all ready. Time to serve. Look at how good this look. If no one told you, you would think it's a yam porridge, but this is cocoyam porridge, not yam. Look at that, it looks so good. Now this tasted so good, it finished. In fact, we finished it before the next day. It was all gone and we enjoyed it. It looks so good. The tuna added a very delicious taste in this, and I can't even stop talking about it. It was so good. Try this out and let me know what you think about this recipe. It is very easy to put together. I will see you all in my next video, but until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.